And that is the completed look that I came up with while using my mom's makeup. I do have a video coming up next using the Alice Through the Looking Glass palette. This is also my mom's, but that video is silent, like with some music in the background, because there was just too much going on in the background. But this is what it looks like. I used this, so stay tuned for that. Again, I used my mom's makeup, but that video didn't have an intro or an outro just because there was too much going on. But I really liked the look that I came up with, so I also used the Metal Crush eyeshadow by Kat Von D. This is hers. If I could get it open. But I just want to show you guys now so you guys know. Kind of like a little couple series episodes of me using my mom's makeup. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that that video will be after this one, since that one didn't have a intro or anything. But yeah, this is the look I came up with while using my mom's makeup. But I don't have my lashes. So I still really like it though. So like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below some other videos I should do. I know I still need to film with the baby, but she's just a little cray-cray sometimes. So I need to find like a good day. And yeah. This is all I have to say. Hey guys, today I'm going to use my mom's makeup. She has this Urban Decay Moon Dust eyeshadow in the color Scorpio. I don't know if you could really see that. Really glittery, and I'm gonna put this, her Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art in the color, where's the color? Oh, Cobalt Crystal. Okay, so I'm gonna use that as well. So I already primed my lids with the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I just blended it in with my beauty blender, didn't set it. And now I'm gonna take the Morphe 35B palette in this kind of like a light corally shade, and the BH Cosmetics 101 brush. Actually, I'm going to start off with a little bit of yellow before I do that, because I want this to really pop. Where is a clean brush? Okay, I'm taking the Sigma Tapered Blending E35. I'm taking the yellow. I'm going to put that everywhere in my crease and kind of blend it out, and I'll clean it up with concealer. Now I'm going to take that light corally shade and put it just a little bit below that, but still in the crease. And don't mind my shirt. My shirts are in the room and the baby's asleep. I wasn't sure if I was gonna film, but I am, and I should have grabbed a better shirt, but gotta deal with it now. And if the light is kind of washing me out, I did my parents did just order me a light diffuser, So hopefully that comes in soon. Make everything a little sharper. Red Brick from MAC. And I'm going to use the same BH Cosmetics 101 brush. Just right below where I just put that corally, light corally shade.
Just to deepen it up just a little bit.
I'm going to use Embark by MAC and a Sigma Blending 825 and a little bit of Sketch from MAC and put it right below that. I will be cutting the crease, so I just want this like at the very top of where I'm about to cut the crease. If that makes sense. I cut the crease with some Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I used to use my Tarte Shape tape, but when I put a color on top of it, it doesn't look as good. And I'm using this Ulta eyeshadow brush. It's my mom's, but she don't use it, so I'm gonna use it. Now I'm going to pack on that Scorpio shade from Urban Decay. I'm probably going to just use my finger. I'm going to add some of the Cobalt Crystal Revlon Photo Ready Eye Art, the glitter side.
Just to give it a little something else. It's really pretty. Gonna let that dry, and I'm going to do the other eye, and I'll be right back.
I'm going to take this Crown C 513 brush and Embark and Sketch from MAC and put it on the outer corner.
Just like that.
I think I'm going to clean it up with concealer. I kind of like it pulled out like this. But I am going to do the lower lash line with Red Brick and yellow. Then on a flat brush I'm going to take Scorpio, that Scorpio shade from Urban Decay, and put it tightly as close as you could get to your lash line. Did not put lashes on because they are in my room and the baby's asleep, so I really did not think this out. But put mascara on and curled my lashes, but you know, it's not the same when they don't look the same before and after you put lashes on. I am going to bronze up my face with the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula.
And the stippling brush. I'll use this Studio Makeup Blush in Wildflower. I'm going to use MAC Soft and Gentle on the tops of my cheeks. By finding my brush. I'm going to use this Flawless Concealer brush because I don't know where my tapered blending is. I'm going to use the Alpha Highlighter and Rodeo Drive. This tiny brush. 106 brush by BH Cosmetics. And I'm going to put this in the inner corners. I wish I had my lashes. Oh my gosh. I went all the way through my makeup. And then at the end, I realized I have no lashes. Like, this is my golden life. I'm gonna just put on some lip gloss. I got time to do it. I'm gonna take Urban Decay, this Naked Lip Gloss in Roll 34. It's like a lip color, but better type of lip gloss. I'm gonna spray it with some Exclusive little mini coconut one.